Hello everyone, and welcome back. In my previous lesson, we learned how to create a basic table. Today, we are going to transform it in clean and professional document that's perfectly ready for printing. But it looks a bit plain. Let's fix it. First, to select the entire table, simply move your mouse to the top left corner and click a small square icon. You will notice two new tabs appears at the top, Table Design and Table Layout. Before we dive into formatting, let's update our font. Go to the Home tab and change it from Calibri to Calibri. It already looks clear and easier to read. Next, let's add a clear title. Click anywhere in the top row. Go to the table layout and click Insert Above. And click Merge Cell. And let's type our title, Directory of Officers. Now, what if we miss someone? Looking at our numbers, officer number 4 is missing. There's no need to start over. Just click Insert Row 3, Mile David. Go to the Layout tab, insert below. Now we can easily type in the missing detail for Wamala Grace. Okay. Right now, the text feels a bit cramped. Let's select the whole table again and stay on the Table tab and change the row height to 1 centimeter. It's much better. While we have the table selected, let's fix the alignment. Now we're going to adjust our table width a little bit. Let's move this left section here. This is better. And the content a little more wider. Now it looks more better. Let's upgrade our border. Select the table and go to the Table Design tab. And let's change the line weight 3 points. And then click the border. Make sure your border is on outline border. Now we change it. This gives more strong and clear frame. And let's do it on here. And you can just click border. Now it works. Finally, let's highlight the title and header row. Applying a light gray shading. If you need more colors, you can see the color range, so you can pick whatever you want. But today, we'll pick a lighter gray and make your title bold and the text bold from the Home tab. This creates a clear visual hierarchy, making it better, easier for a supervisor to scan this information. Our last step is the print review. Let's go to the file and print. Always check this screen before printing official document to ensure no columns are cut off and everything fits perfectly. Today we learn advanced table skill. We will share this practice file with you, so please give it a try. The second practice, we will transform a simple table into a more complete distribution matrix. There's two tables. The first table is an example, and the second table is the table we will edit. Our goal is to make the second table looks like the first one. We will add columns, create header rows, and merge cells, adjust alignment, apply border and shading, and check the result in the preview. Let's get started. First, we need to add two new columns, unit cost and total shop. If there is a plot button pop up, click this one and one more time. And let's insert the information. After entering the data, the table gives more complete information. Next, we will create a higher level header. In the completely example, terms 1 and terms 2 and term 3 are grouped under the distribution status by term. Click inside the first row of the table. You can check the plus button again, and let's click it. A new blank row appears at the top. We will resize this table first. If you want to adjust this one, you can just resize with your mouse, or you can make it narrow with size. Now we're going to make a merge. If you go up to the table layout, click the merge cells, or on another ways, you can select it and then open the menu and then merge cells. And let's copy this information and paste that into the same merge thing up here, and this one too. Next, we're going to adjust the column weight. The item names column should be wider because it has a long text. Drag the right border of the first column to make it wider. Then let's select the term 1, term 2, term 3. Go to the layout tab. Now I want to select the whole these columns and click the distribution columns, and then select these three columns and click the same things. Now let's align the text. Select header rows and on the home tab and center text. Then select the numbers and click the right alignment. Good alignment makes the table easier to read and more professional. Next, we will add the border. Click the table design. We will select the border. Open the border menu and choose all border. Now every cell has a clear boundary. To make your table look more professional, you can make outside border thicker. You can also add a stronger border under the header row. Now select the header row, then click the border. You can click on the top. Let's change this to the double line. And then click border menu and choose bottom border. And let's select this one too to the right borders. Now we can just click rest of all. And let's change the border style to original. And then click inside vertical border. Fill the missing border. and the text. Now I want to change this row a more narrow, this height a little narrow, and then these two. On the table layout tab, let's put this the center alignment. And one more thing, let's put the bottom border, and these three letters should be on the left side with the numbers. And lastly, let's highlight the term 3 on the shading tab with the orange second one. I think these numbers are not in the middle, so let's put this here. Okay, in this practice, we changed the basic table into a professional distribution matrix. We added unit cost and total stock column. We created a group header using merge cells, added the borders and shading. Please practice with the second table and make it look like a completely example. Thank you for watching.